Delete a column from a Pandas DataFrame. To delete a column in a data frame, I can successfully use. But why can't I use the following? Since it is possible to access the column/series as df.column_name, I expected this to work.
As you've guessed, the right syntax is. It's difficult to make del df.column_name work simply as the result of syntactic limitations in Python. Del df name gets translated to df.__del item__name under the covers by Python.
The best way to do this in Pandas is to use drop, where 1 is the axis number, 0 for rows and 1 for columns. Or, the drop method accepts index/columns keywords as an alternative to specifying the axis. So we can now just do. This was introduced in version 0.21.0, October 27, 2017. To delete the column without having to reassign df, you can do. Finally, to drop by column number instead of by column label, try this to delete, e.g. the first, second and fourth columns. Also working with the text to syntax for the columns.
Use. This will delete one or more columns in place. Note that in place equals true was added in Pandas version 0.13 and won't work on older versions. You'd have to assign the result back in that case.
Drop by index. Delete first, second and fourth columns. Delete first column. There is an optional parameter in place so that the original data can be modified without creating a copy. Popped. Column selection, addition, deletion. Delete column name. Examples. Print df.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.